So how did I end up here? Yes, that's the main question. I didn't talk about this on Instagram or anything. Then how do I own a Note 9 and why? Well, let's just check, because I have not actually seen my own phone, because when I bought it, literally no one bought it. Again, I'm the first one to own it in Alibag where I live, even though I didn't even pre-order it. First of all, if I'm just looking weird or the camera angles are a bit weird, I'm extremely sorry. It's 12 AM right now. I'm supposed to be watching KSI versus Logan Paul right now, but my all just cards failed. So yeah, that goes there, and I'm now unboxing my Galaxy Note 9. So let's just take a look. It's a black, cause none other phones are actually available. That's why I have one of the first ones to arrive in Alibag. So let's just take a look. I know it's in a S9 handbag, cause yeah, Note 9s are not ready. And there you go. Here is the actual box, completely seal packed. I've never actually used a Note 9. I've actually seen it for a few seconds, but not actually used a Note 9 for a while, like a minute or so. So let's just take a look. First of all, here's the cutter. So why do I actually have one? देवांग तू नोट 9 लेने वाला है क्या? भाई नहीं, क्यों? अरे वो फोर्टनाइट के 15,000 V-Bucks मिल रहे हैं और स्किन मिल रही है, वो तू नोट 9 ले ले और फिर बेच दे, पागल है क्या? There goes the first day, and then again few minutes pass. I'm not actually that interested in, cause the camera thingy, the camera looks like a C9 Pro. Yes, it has the body color inside the actual lens, which is a bit weird, but again on a design standpoint, it looks pretty beautiful. Then again days pass by. Devang, you can exchange your OnePlus 5 and Galaxy S8 Plus. Yeah, they are on offer. Okay, we will try about Galaxy S8 Plus. Yeah. And then in process, I just visit the Samsung Smart Cafe in Alibag, which I actually order and get my phones through for the reviews and stuff. But just as I entered the store, I found a guy just standing beside me who was interested in a Galaxy S8 Plus. Yes. And I actually ended up selling him. Well, I have not actually sold that phone. It's still in process. But yeah, that same day, I actually showed one of my friends OnePlus 5. And on the spot, he said yes to buy it. So I just sold both of them. Not actually to buy this phone, but seriously, OnePlus 5 was just staying on my desk eating shit, eating dirt. And Galaxy S8 Plus is actually with my mom, because I just gifted it to her. And then again, I can just replace it with the Galaxy S9 Plus, because I have been using this phone. This is my dream phone since like childhood I can remember. I was in the same smart cafe, and then I was actually looking for the scratch guard of my Galaxy Young, and there was a dude next to me who just bought a Galaxy Note 3 and the whole gear package for 73,000, and I was like, 73,000 for a phone, holy shit. Dude, did you find my scratch guard? Devang, why didn't you buy it before? Well, there are several reasons. Galaxy Note doesn't get that many updates as Galaxy S9. It's already pre-polished thing from Samsung, which is actually launched few months before. Yes, so Android Pie betas are not arriving for this thing, but are actually arriving for my Galaxy S9 Plus. So yeah, this phone is kind of just for me. I would be not making videos with it. Maybe at least for a year. I can't actually tell, but yeah. This is something literally just special to me, and just I don't actually want to cry, but it's a dream come true, honestly. Because I'm actually not making any money off this phone as with my Galaxy S series. Yeah, so let's just get it unboxing. I'm really pumped, because only thing that I wasn't even interested in Notes, they are huge. They are like the power phones. There is nothing like it. So I was just kind of having this boundary that there is something for me to do in terms of phones, but there is nothing. I own a Galaxy Note now. So yeah, I'm also actually buying a gear spot. It's yet to be arrived. It will take like 2 to 3 days. I guess there is no magnet as before. Okay, there is a seal. Oh wow. And that seal is pretty tight like cement. There you go. There is no magnet unlike Galaxy S8. Yeah. Lifting up that, you have a SIM ejector tool over here, a barcode for something, then again model number and stuff, and the cover must be inside over here. Yeah, there you go, quick start guide and cover. Cover again pretty sturdy. Okay, more actually sturdy than the Galaxy S9 Plus. That is pretty good. And then the actual phone. It's massive. Well, the black doesn't actually look bad, cause yeah, I tried my best to get a ocean blue. I tried my best to get a metallic copper, but then again, how I'm first is a weird story. So all the people who actually pretty much ordered this phone were oceanic blue or metallic copper. None of those actually arrived. What arrived was 3 Note 9s. So the first lady who actually bought the Note 9 didn't came. The second one who was actually about to own a Note 9 yesterday, there were some complications in exchanging the phone. That's why I also didn't exchange my Galaxy S8 Plus, cause it was literally getting a shit price, because the website just crashing constantly, and literally it felt like a scam from Samsung. And then there is funny part, if you see this picture, there is the first technical owner of a Galaxy Note 9, but in the background there is me, the actual first owner of the Galaxy Note 9. So yeah, weird coincidences. I know I have actually talked a lot rather than actually unboxing this phone, but This is something just close to my heart a lot. It's been my childhood dream to own this phone, and then again now it's mine. And then again, black really looks beautiful, to be honest, cause I just didn't like the copper S Pen. And then the remote thing, yeah, I don't know how just Samsung managed it to make it even better. It's already beautiful. Wow, not bad. There was not a lot of delay. Click. About a second over there, cause it's literally focusing in a low light right now. So yeah guys, that's pretty much it for the unboxing of the Midnight Black Galaxy Note 9. I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you want more of this Galaxy Note 9, please let me know in the comment section below, cause now I have two major flagships from Galaxy lineup in like 2018, cause yeah, next phone will be in 2019 of course.